Hey guys, this fan is going to be taken down because this is old and it doesn't work on reverse. It just doesn't work on reverse. And it has bearings and it wobbles. And what it will be replaced with. Harbor Breeze Coastal Creek. So I'm gonna show, it just has bad bearings. I'm gonna show you, it has little bearings. Put it put it close to you to hear. Let me put it on high speed. Wait, before that, I'm gonna show you that it doesn't work on reverse. Switch is on. It does not work. Reverse is broken. So it's because this is just old. It's just old and it's old and it has to be replaced. It's been built. It's been installed since the house was built. House was built in 1994. It just turns back on. I'm gonna actually turn the fan on high. I'm gonna put the bearings on. I don't know if you can hear that. It has it's just bad and it's ridiculous. This is wobbly. This is wobbly. So I'm gonna be making an update video tomorrow, I think, because that's just the plan. Or I may do it in this. I may do it another day. It's gonna be before New Year's Eve, so it's just gonna be like that. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's lots more to come.